On the 18-wheeler crash in Thomasville that killed 2 people. Tonight, there's no clear time frame on when the driver of that truck will have his preliminary hearing.
Our Shelby Myers is in the studio with your continuing coverage. Shelby, you're finding out the issue comes down to finding a Ukrainian interpreter.
Yeah, that's right, Lenise and Cameron. The driver, Andriy Materko, who is in the U.S. on a work visa, is from Ukraine. He doesn't speak English. He's been sitting in the Clark County jail for nearly 3 months without a hearing because the state can't find a certified Ukrainian interpreter. The May crash that shook the small town of Thomasville killed high school coach Woody Beck and mother Ashley McDonald. Police say Andriy Materko blew through a red light in an 18-wheeler, slamming into cars and igniting a deadly fire. Thomasville police say Materko was in the U.S. on a work visa. A passenger in that truck told investigators Materko was distracted, answering a call from his wife. A crash report says he didn't come to a stop until more than 2 football fields away. He's charged with 2 counts of vehicular manslaughter. This happened in May, and now his case is at a standstill.
It does have an impact on my ability to effectively argue any kind of bond motion because the judge can't hear the case until we can get an interpreter.
And it's not an interpreter just for the client. It has to be an interpreter for the court.
Right.
And so the court has to be able to ask a question that is verbatim translated, and then the individual that's charged has to be able to speak in their language and have it verbatim translated to the court.
Materko's attorney, Shalia Tisdale and Christine Hernandez, say there's only one state-certified Ukrainian interpreter in Alabama, and he's tied up on another case. Attorneys say a Russian interpreter could possibly work, but the court requires strict accuracy.
Russian and Ukrainian carry a lot of the same basic words, phrases, that kind of thing. So it's not Ukrainian, but it is, I guess in the same general category.
The interpreter also has to be state certified. Becoming a court-approved interpreter requires passing tests, a background check, and paying up to $500.
My staff has been in regular communication with the court, with the DA's office. We all want this to happen.
Now, Materko has pleaded not guilty. ICE also has a hold on him. In the studio tonight, Shelby Myers, Fox 10 News.